and I love dogs. I love dogs and puppies is amazing because the pictures are really awesome and they choose really good word choices. If you want to train a dog, this is a perfect book to choose. Also, if you want a dog, you can see what dog you want. It tells you all about dogs, just like how old they can live and things like that. There are over 50 breeds in this book. Isn't that crazy? And some help track things, hunt, and pull slides. Some dogs are friendly in this book. It finally tells you what color they can be, blue, gray, and white. You can discover new things in dogs.